I am going to read English newspaper. CM Yogi should guide Shah to improve law order in Delhi. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath should guide Union Home Minister Amit Shah about how to improve law and order and eliminate gangsters in Delhi. AAP Supremo Arvind Kejriwal said on Friday Adityanath in back to elections rallies in Delhi on Thursday slammed Kejriwal over host of issues alleging the Aam Aadmi Party settled Bangladeshi and Rohingya infiltrators in Okhla and other parts of the city. Addressing a press conference, Kejriwal claimed that Adityanath said in Delhi that he improved law and order and eliminated gangsters in Uttar Pradesh. Meanwhile, AAP Supremo Arvind Kejriwal addressed a rally in the rural constituencies of Najafgarh here on Friday, promising round-the-clock electricity supply for free if his party retain power in the upcoming Delhi Assembly polls, claiming to be the only magician who can give free electricity. Kejriwal warned the voters against bringing the Bharatiya Janata Party to power. If the BJP comes to power, you're free. Electricity will be stopped and you will be slapped with bills of Rs 5,000 or more, he said. Kejriwal slammed Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath over the electricity supply scenario in Uttar Pradesh. I want to ask the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister, why are there power cuts for 5 to 8 hours in Lucknow? Why are there 6-hour power cuts in Noida? He asked. The former Delhi Chief Minister also alleged that he was pressured to hand over the power companies operating in the national capital to a close ally of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but claimed that he resisted the move to safeguard the interest of Delhi's. The AAP Supremo accused the BJP of continuously targeting and abusing him. He also took the opportunity to reiterate his party's development promises in the face of a tough electoral challenge from the Saffron Party. The Najafgarh constituency is set to witness a three-way contest in the February 5 polls. Thank you guys for watching this.